Let's let's start with the second chapter, that is role of integrated marketing communication in marketing process. So this is the marketing and promotion process model, which starts with the first step, that is opportunity analysis, competitive analysis, and target marketing. While we are doing competitive analysis, we need to identify the products, we need to identify the markets. And under competitive analysis, we do market segmentation. Under target marketing, we select a target market. And last, we position through marketing strategies. For this, we need to make product decision, we need to make pricing decisions, we need to select the channel of distribution. As well as with this, we need to also set up the promotional decisions, how the product will be promoted through advertising, direct marketing, interactive marketing, sales promotion, publicity and public relation, and personal selling. With this, we reach to the ultimate final buyer, that is, it can be ultimate consumer or the businesses. And we need to have internet in interactive marketing. We need to have promotion to trade, and the purchase is being made by, if the purchase be made by resellers, then again they would need to select the promotional channel where how to promote their products into the market. Strategic marketing plan. A strategic marketing plan usually evolves from an organization's overall corporate strategy and serves as a guide for specific marketing program and policies. Market segmentation with example. A firm develops an understanding of the market and the various opportunities it offers, the competition and the market segments or the target market. For example, different market segments in the personal computer industry include home, government, education, science, and business market. Market opportunities. Market opportunities are areas where there are favorable demand trends, where the company believes customer needs and opportunities are not being satisfied, where it can compete effectively. Competitive advantage. Competitive advantage includes having quality products that command a premium price, providing superior customer service, having the lowest production cost and lower prices, and dominating channel of distribution. So B, which is owned by Pepsi, offers a variety of enhanced waters, and it is an example of direct brand competition. Samsung compares itself to the Apple but does not actually display the Apple logo or name, allowing Samsung to keep the focus on its brand. This advertisement is example of competitive advantage type of advertising. Point of difference, POD. POD is one type of unique thing only I have, but my competitor does not have, fits known as point of difference or POD. Point of parity or POP. Point of parity is one of the activity in that I doing all things similar to my competitor. That is point of parity. Target market. Target market identifying markets with unfulfilled needs, segmenting the market, targeting specific segments, and positioning one's product or service through marketing strategies. How the target market is selected. So first we need to identify the unfulfilled needs. We need to determine market segmentation. We need to select a market to target. And at the end, positioning through marketing strategies is to be done. So with this, we end up one more concept of integrated marketing